Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I went to Costco and see the little new stuff on sale. I will put on description how much I got. I think it was like original price and there's some like sales price on it. So this is the shrimp wonton with the Sichuan sauce, and it's gonna be mild. I'm expecting, I wish there'll be more medium spicy. So it looks like it's just like wonton with like chili oil, green onions, and I think that's it. It's gonna be probably numbingness, I would think. So it's come with a pack of 4, and you can just microwave it and you can eat it after that. So once you open it, it comes with 4 little bowls, and then this is how it looks like. All you need to do is just like microwave for 3 to 4 minutes ready to serve. So this is the size, just wonton with chili oil, green onions, and no soup on it. And then let's try it out and we'll come. Alright, so now after microwave for 3 minutes, this is how it looks like. Let's open up. Oh, it's very hot. So you do see some green onions. You got 6 pieces of wonton and some, it doesn't look like a chili oil sauce compared like here. If you look at the picture, I'm expect like tons of chili oil, but I don't see it. It feels like a paste to me right now. I don't see like chili oil at all. And yeah, and then, so let's try it out then. So that's one downside, I don't see chili oil. So let's try the paste. Oh. The paste is not that spicy, so I guess it's matching with the box. What it says is called mild. I can taste like onion, like all those like salt, like vinegar, sweetness. I could taste some scallion soybean paste too, fermented soybean, those kind of flavor, but definitely not enough chili oil and not too spicy at all. So let's give a try the wonton itself. So it's not really my expectation for this, because when I look at the picture, I'll say, oh, this is more like Sichuan, but when you microwave, this is not the thing you're thinking. It looks like a big piece of wonton. Let's see what's inside. So that's how it looks inside. There's no meat on it. It's all shrimps. I feel like the shrimp are probably like frozen. It's not like super fresh. It's not like crunchy, like fresh crunchy taste. It's just like very soft, like meat, chewy taste. So the skin is like, it's very big skins. It's not no meat. Like there's a big piece of wonton, a small little piece of shrimp, not wonton. So the shrimp itself is very tiny. So it's not that good. I'm expecting, compared to Thai wonton noodle I had, the shrimp is better. So let's see. Yeah, if they use a bigger shrimp would be better. So I would say overall it's worth to try one time. I would not expect myself to buy this again, because not what I'm expecting. The shrimp is just like way too small. It's just tiny little piece and it's not really crunchy. Doesn't feel like fresh. I feel like been sitting there a long time. Yeah, but I do like the wonton skin. It's very good. I feel like if you eat at a restaurant, with a Sichuan restaurant, eating that would be better than the microwave one. I wish they have more chili oil. It's just like so many sugary. I feel like it's just like, why they add a lot of sugar on it, right? It's just sweet, you know? I feel like I'm eating sweet and spicy sauce instead of the regular traditional Sichuan chili oil with mala flavor. I mean, it's still eatable, but it's not what I'm expecting. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next video.